Sangkam ba?
Jump serve. Binigay kay Peps. And Peps breaks down the wall. Ramram Kusain.
Ay! Ay! Suri ka!
There by Ramram. Now serving the setter of RH8. Too much. Pick up by Witan. Binigay sa gitna. And point for the middle. Blocker. Serving the setter of RH3. Pick up by Gongo. Binigay kay Ramram. And blocked by Hashim. Serving the setter of RH3. RH3. And that's now serving the captain, Ramram Kusain. Nice serve and service ace para kay Ramram Kusain.
9-12, lamang RH3.
Sharp serve again and that's a middle hitter of RH3, Hashim. Reverse set and too much power. Nice pick up there by Ramram. Gongo Erika ngayon, ginawa ng paraan. Hindi na naitawid. In. Set to Gongo. Point for Gongo Erika.
Hay! Mayaw ka!
Now serving Hajarin Sanpiga. And that's not violation. Nice pick up there by Witan. Reverse set.
Yee!
Point for jersey number 2.
Replay mo.
Gongo Erika. Wala siya doon. Binigay kay Pets. Andun si Raven. 5 attack. And that's the reason. Gonggong Erika again. Pick up by Hajarin. Bigay sa gitna.
Ay!
By Pets.
Grabe!
Again, sa lahat po nanonood, maraming salamat po.
Ayan na, ulit ako. Baka mo na sa Sampolo.
And also to Mayor Bros Matabalo para sa Sports Plaza. Mayor, thank you so much. Back to our ball game. Still serving Ayman Sanpiga.
Ayun o.
Para sa lahat, this is 3 out of 5 championship game.
Video. Hey!
Pick up by Raven.
Okay.
For RH3, serving 12.
19-12, lamang RH3.
Nice pick up there by Raven de la Serna. Ginawa na paraan ni Gonggong. And a lucky point para serving Erika, jersey number 11. Jump serve. Pick up by Hajarin. Free ball para sa RH8 to Ramram. And that's outside. Nice pick up there by Gongo. Binigay kay Ramram. Pick up by Hajarin. Still serving Tom Sanpiga. Bet Sanpiga. Jump serve. Pick up by Raven. Montano. Oh, that's inside. Arsad Sampigan. Pet Sampigan ngayon. Nice save there by Ramram. Hamdi, and that's inside. Set. Ramram. Nakahanap ng... Binigay sa gitna. Tumontano. And that ends our first set. Score. Set to Bushra. Binigay kay Gonggong Erika. And that's blockers.
Okay, second set na po.
Serve there by Ramram. Back to Bushra. Pick up by Raven. And point for RH3. He is serving. At Sampigan. Bigay sa gitna. Pick up in the center. Doon si Raven. Gonggong Erika. Remove block. And naging effective ang team. Our score is 2-3. Gonggong again. And back-to-back block by RH3. Don't serve there by the middle. Gonggong Erika. And point for it. And outside. Reverse set. Pick up by number 11. Back to Gonggong. Nice save there by Bushra. Gonggong again. Kaya sobra yung set. To Pets. Johnson. Nice pick up there by Witan. Reverse set. And straight to the net. And outside. Now serving jersey number 11. Datumama Sampigan. Ramram Pisain, ginawa ng paraan. And point for Ramram. CJ Santa Cruz. Pick up by Witan. Binigay kay Pets. And pick up by Witan. Back to Pets. And a first line attack there by Yasser Abedin. Ritz Buwisan. Combination play. A powerful hit there by Pets.
Masakit to. Awe mambo. Espeho ng Cotabato.
Pets Sampigan. First set para kay Ramram. And point. That's inside according to Lion Judge. Reverse set para kay Montano. And crossing violation. Still serving the center of RH3. And that's outside. Bushra. Nakalis ang sapatos si Bushra pero point pa din sa RH3. Now serving jersey number 1, Hamdi Hashim. To Gonggong Erika. Powerful hit by Gonggong Erika. Villamor. Nice first ball there by Witan. And binawian. Now serving Bushra Sampigan. para sa RH3. Defense ngayon. Bigay sa gitna. And straights. And out.
Oy!
Jersey number 11.
Oh, namba ba saningan ka na tumama? Ay, na tumama!
Combination play, pero tungan. So, Pets ang pigat again. And push down. Pinalik ulit kay Pets. Yung na paraan. And top speed there. And service A ng RH8. Back to back service ace para Ramon ko sa in and block by Sampiga. Jade. Short serve again by Yasser Abidin. Kung paano ngayon, ginawa ng paraan. Chance ball para sa RH3. Buwisa. Outside. Cut by Bushra. Tulog. Reverse set para kay Montano. Point for RH3. Pasok ang fight attack ni Pet Sampiga. And Montano breaks. Combination play. For Boko. May eksena si Lani. Outside. Goal and block by Yasser Abidin.
Napakyaw ka na.
24-21. Reverse set. Pick up by Hamdi. Part attack. Sumobra. Now serving. Deden Bonesa. Bushra. Back to Chongo. And more para sa RH3. Isa na lang po ang kailangan ng RH3. Sa mga nanonood, nagtitiis sa ulan, maraming salamat po. We appreciate your effort po, the presence, and point for RH8. Unang ika. Reverse set, inulog ni Ajerin. Turam-ram ko sa in, and that's under. Time out, technical time. Montano ngayon.
So 7-5 ang score, lamang RH3.
Ram-ram ngayon. Sharp serve. Sampigan Pets. Top spin. Gonggong ngayon. At doon si Algerin. Bigay sa gitna. Point. Gonggong again. Ginamit ang ulo. Napanan ng mga pancakes to. Gonggong Erika. And point for RH3. Pets. And Buwisan. Buwitan ngayon. Gonggong Erika. Free ball para sa RH3. Kanino kayo ibibigay? And that's outside. Ball. And monster block by Algerin. Gonggong ngayon. And that's inside. Larong Gonggong Erika.
10-11, lamang RH3.
Medyo mataas. Abraham. And a top spin. Still serving. Gonggong Erika. And straight to the left. Hashim. Nice pick up by Witan. Reverse set. And point 4. Sa Algerin. Sampigan. Nice save. Ay! Montano. And point 4. Isain. Binigay kay Pets. And still serving. Ramrap Kusain. Gonggong Erika. Nice pick up by Algerin. And Pets ang piga. Tano. Naman ang paraan ni Gonggong Erika. Binigay kay Pets. Pets again. Ginamit. Now serving Pets ang piga. Same serve. To Erika. Naman ang paraan. Algerin. Tusok. And that's outside. Good luck. Nice save there by Montano. Dunk by Gonggong and point. Algerin ngayon. Gawa ng paraan. And point. Sino kaya? This year's most valuable player goes to... Of course, that's Sahid